Hey guys, what's happening? I'm here at the friggin' Redcliffe muscle car turnout. Hundreds of cars here at the moment. We've got a 12A bridgie here. Looking pretty good. Our ice cream truck. Valiant left-hand drive.
Like your own mon low bitches said I look like monkey. Cause I don't give those bitches money low. They are donkeys. Look at my khaki and I got cryptos in my wallet. Fuck those idiots that keep mocking when I say no need much chorus. Yo, rap continues. That's why I keep up the rap star and lot I wanna cock my style. There go.
About 5. That thing's bagged. I've seen that before. Oh, Volkswagen. Right-hand drive. That's a Fairlanes. Oh yeah, okay. It's a Coronet 500. I have to say, a lot of Miata. Oh, Fairmont. About 5 o'clock. Alright, I reckon about 30 minutes we'll probably cruise. Pretty packed already. Not very many rotors here. 3 at the moment, but anyway, 3's better than none. bumper, all the hot rods. Look at that ocean, but it looks really good. Wow. See, there's some people from the cruise. We got out. Here comes my good. There's a rotor and another rotor. Better cool down a bit. I'll call it a night, I reckon. Anyway, guys, that's it for another episode of Apexseal Detonator. Man, that was an awesome cruise. Freaking hell, there was a lot of cars. It was only a super short video, but honestly, guys, I reckon there must have been 300 cars. And massive groups of cars cruising in sections. Because, honestly, yeah, there was a bit of traffic, as you've seen. It took me and my friend, who was also there with the RX-8, around 30 minutes to leave the car park. So that, just to give you an idea of how freaking crazy it was. So one of the subscribers mentioned the fact that I didn't do a words of inspiration or something like that on the last episode. So I thought I'll start that again. Blood is thicker than water. A lot of people say that. A lot of people believe in that saying. I'll tell you right now, in about 95% of situations, that is false. If you're in that 5%, you should be very, very grateful, because I'm telling you now, water is definitely thicker than blood, in my life experience anyway. And do not assume, because of the fact that your family member or your blood relative is just going to be like that. You know what I'm saying? Don't assume for 1 minute they will not do you over, because they will, and in my case have done me over. So I'm pretty wise when it comes to things like that. I guess what you really need to look out for, whether it's blood or water, is how the person respects you, how the person treats you. In most cases, during my life, a lot of friends have treated me way better than family, with the exception of my mother and father. Remember that, guys. Shit happens in life, and sometimes with children, with your own children, things can be complicated. Oh, there you go. The lights just come on. See that? Listen carefully. But anyway, you just got to take it. You just got to freaking wear it sometimes and move on with your life. Be happy. Don't let anyone let you. That's it. Don't let anyone let you down. Get you down. Bring you down. I'm not going to edit this out of the video, because I'm thinking this is me. This is me talking now. So yeah, the blood thicker than water thing. Sorry, it doesn't. This is not in my dictionary. But yeah, if you do have family and children that are by your side and that you really enjoy your time with and they enjoy their time with you, you should cherish that because it's fucking rare, I'm telling you now. It's about as rare as a fucking 13B Renesis that goes for 20,000 Ks without an oil change and doesn't blow up. That's how rare it is. Anyway, guys, I shall see you on the next episode of Apexseal Detonator. Till then, ciao.